What's up, L'Oreal Institute leaders? Wait lang. Partner ko.
Partner?
Wait lang ka pala. What's up, L'Orealians?
We are now back for another episode of The L'Orealians. So kasama po natin ngayon si, what's your name, sir?
Juanito Raffles po.
Juanito Raffles. From what department?
From Cabin Department po, Marketing Management. Red Team.
Ayan. So, yesterday po ay nagkaroon tayo ng seminar and sessions about sa iba't ibang topic, which is about self-love, how to grow as a leader, you're becoming, and about environment. So, now, I just want to ask what is your takeaways about the session 1?
Dun sa first session, actually madami akong na-notes talaga dito. Pero may isa talagang tumatak dun sa akin na when we feel pain, struggles, and challenges, we need to savor it. We need to endure it para maka-move on. Kumbaga, kailangan mong masanay ka sa sakit, masanay ka sa ganun, para masabi mong okay ka na. Kasi pag nasanay ka na doon, pwede ka na mag-move on. Pero mali daw yon, sabi ng ating speaker, na dapat matuto tayong mahalin yung sarili natin kahit na may pain or wala. Dapat, kahit walang pain, mahalin natin yung sarili natin, unahin natin yung sarili natin. Kasi, we cannot like someone, di ba nga sabi din ng ating talk, nung nag-talk sa atin ay, we cannot like someone, kasi tayo as a leader, candle tayo, nilalight up natin yung iba. And that way, nauubos din tayo. Dapat matuto tayo mahalin natin sarili natin. We need to be a strong pillar to support others.
Nagagets ko yung point ni sir, and also, I just want din to share my takeaways. So, loving yourself is a form of self-care and it's not being selfish. Ayan. Thank you so much, sir.
Ngayon natin naman tayo sa session 2 ng ating Fuse 3.0. And now, let's have, sir, what's your name?
So I'm Charles Albania from the Cabin Department.
Okay, Sir Charles, during our session 2, ano yung mga takeaways nyo po?
Based sa session 2, Leading the Way, Empowering Tomorrow's Leaders, Miss Faith emphasizes the word becoming. So I think every word from that word becoming is the stages of how to be a great leader. Becoming, being brave, having empathy, curiosity, optimistic, multi-purpose, integrity, noteworthy, and being grateful is the stages of how to be a great leader. Kumbaga, as a leader, you have to serve your purpose, but you have to take it one step at a time para hindi ganun ka-hassle sa'yo at hindi rin aapektuhan yung health mo. So I think that the session 2 becoming is a great session on learning on how to be a great leader.
Alright, so now there you have it. Thank you, Sir Charles. And ngayon, tawagin naman natin ang partner ko para sa ating third session ng Fuse 3.0. Okay, partner, nasan ka ba, partner?
Parang familiar kasi yung ating next na interviewin. So, Sir Noe? Sir Noe?
Ay! Okay, L'Orealians, we have here Sir Noemel Trinidad Murillo, our Vice President for External Affairs, para mag-interview sa ating third interviewee. Sir Noemel, let the stage be yours.
Alam niyo naman, ang Fuse 3.0 ay hindi lang sa regarding on leadership and something much more and bigger than that. So tayo ay may interviewin for the third session ng ating seminar, which is all about the environment. Ayan. So what's your name?
Hello po, I'm John Manuel Nicosa.
Ayan, So, ano nga ang team mo?
From Pink Team po.
Okay, from Pink Team. So ano naman ang natutunan mo sa third session ng ating seminar?
I learned po that one of the neglected aspect po of the 3 pillars of sustainability is the environmental aspect. And from that, I just had a sudden realization lang po that we need to be more environmentally aware. because our simple efforts can create a huge impact to our environment, and we need to be an advocate for others to be an eco-champion. And kagaya nga nito, kakagaling lang namin sa putikan, kakaligo ko lang, and hindi ko ina-expect na pagkatapos kong maligo is sinubuan na agad ako ng halaman.
So ayan na. Once again, thank you so much, and kaming lahat ay nagte-thank you sa inyo for attending Fuse 3.0, and aasahan ulit namin kayo, Laurelians, para sa susunod na taon. Thank you so much.
Hello, so good afternoon. My name is Nestor Ferrer, and I am the Executive Vice President of the Focus Backstage Camera Club for this year. Ayan. So, Focus BCC is a organization founded out of love for photography. But then, the organization decided to open up this organization for members and for those aspirants who loves other ways or like means of multimedia such as photography, like videography, video editing, photo editing, and graphic arts. Ayun. So, Focus BCC is a group of people or like students, organization, wherein nabuo siya na hindi lamang na nagpo-focus sa pag-create or sa pag-practice ng photography and videography. So, parang hindi lang kasi doon umiikot yung organization, but then also meron ding those people na hindi ganun ka-skilled sa ganung larangan pero meron silang leadership. So parang it's a combine of talents and as a unified organization, meron kaming members from Pablo Borbon, Alangilan, Malvar, Cebu, and Lipa.